to Compliance Weekly. Welcome to Compliance Weekly. It's 2025, August 5th, and let's walk the milestone board. I'll share screen. Alrighty. Last one discussed. Let me see if we have that on file. We do not. Okay. I'll just try to go by memory.
It was
I
that
know we just
added ability to link compliance violations to issues.
that was the last one.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, then we have return namespace ID so that we can distinguish between CSP and non-CSP framework and front end on Jean.
Yep. Yeah, I guess this is like a series of ones. For instance, that we're gonna merge or have merged. Yeah, this is just returning namespace ID for us to the front end.
All right, next one is on you as well.
Yeah, this is one that's been around for a little while. Small little improvement. Yeah, just adding an additional extract column for the control statuses.
Alrighty, then we have a feature flag cleanup on Ilia, as the name says, probably. And a follow-up on removing a feature flag. Anything to note there?
One for one feature flag and another for front-end counterpart of the feature flag. So it's two feature flags actually being removed.
Okay. The next we have system notes for compliance violations on Josefa.
Yeah, so this one was for generating system notes whenever the status of the compliance violation is updated or an issue is linked or unlinked from the compliance violation. So both of these are working and in production now.
Nice. And then we have the counterpart list system notes on violation detail page. I'm assuming this was on Nate.
Yes. Oh yeah, so this was just listing up the system notes. So it uses the system notes component and just connected up really well with the backend work that had already been done and just showing that. So fantastic work. Yeah.
Alrighty. Okay, next on the list we have review on planning issue. Let's jump to that. First up, we have cells on Harsimar.
Yes. So the offset page initiation MR is in review right now. It's approved from the database side. Just the backend maintainer review is pending.
Alrighty. Next is instance level compliance and policy management on Jean.
Yep. This one, we have one MR merging right now, another one that just needs maintainer review, and then we've got the front-end MR that needs to go through approval and merging, but then we are good to go as well for that.
Nice. And next we have link violations to framework controls on Josefa and me. From my side, recently opened the MR to add the export to the backend and front end. That's full stack MR. As we just heard in the milestone board, the system notes were added. Do you have anything to add, Josefa? Or I think Hiteshi were also working on some filtering.
Yeah, I think just the filtering is left now. I'm not sure if we would be focusing on that, but I mean, it can be an ongoing stuff along with the AI things. And yeah, other than that, everything is merged. There's a feature flag which is still lying in the code base, so probably we can, once the front end is also ready, we can default enable both these feature flags, see on production, and then remove those. That's the thing that which is left now.
Yeah, I caught up with Scott about that, and I think once we get that linking issues to violations in, we can probably look at rolling out the feature flag, testing it, and enabling it by default, with the
Yeah.
comments and filtering can come afterwards.
Yeah, the linking looks good from my side. I think it's just needs maintainer approval. I think it's on Ilya right now.
Okay.
Yeah, so that I think it's mostly pretty much done.
Well, I believe I approved anything which was assigned to me, so yeah.
Okay, so that's probably might have already been merged.
Awesome.
Nice.
Right.
Alrighty. Has anyone have anything to add to discussions? All right. With that, we'll end it then. Wave to the camera, everyone.